Happy good morning! Today I'm going to show you how to make a gingerbread pop-up Christmas card. Hey, is that real gingerbread? An adorable garland to hang on the fireplace or your Christmas tree, and these faux Christmas cookies. Let's see if Santa will notice.
Good morning!
Good morning, Sunny. What are you doing?
I'm making Christmas cards.
That is a great idea, and I should probably get started on mine.
Ooh, can I help?
Sure. What kind of card do you think I should make?
The theme should be gingerbread. I'll start you off with a checklist. Gingerbread house and gingerbread men. It's gotta have a Christmas tree, snow and a snowman, frozen pond, and obviously lots of candy.
Oh boy, anything else that you want to add to your checklist?
Yeah, and it has to pop up.
A pop-up card. I'm supposed to make all that and make a pop-up card.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Alright, let's get started. I started off by sketching everything on Sunny's checklist. Next, I made a paper template to make sure that her idea was going to work. Looks like it works. Since I'm making about 20 Christmas cards, I'm going to need a sturdier template than just paper. So let's make that out of cardboard. I used scissors and an X-Acto knife to help me cut out the templates. Once the pieces are all cut out, I just started tracing them onto different colors of cardstock. Let's start by writing our holiday greeting on the outside of the card. Sunny, can you help me?
Sure. Okay. How about this one? Dear loved ones, we wish you lots of sweet things and lots of sweet dreams.
Aw, that's better, Sunny. Let's use that one. To begin decorating the inside, we're going to be using puffy paint to make a snowy look. You can use a paintbrush, but it's a lot more fun to finger paint. You can create different designs, swirls, straight lines, circles, however you'd like. We'll use this same technique to make the paper for our snowman. Let's put the house together. Once you score the walls and the tabs, your house should move something like this. Glue to secure. To help score the edges of the roof, I'm using an old card and an old phone case cover. I like to use this because it's clear and I can line up my folds much easier. I use the other card to help score. You guessed it, I'm using puffy paint again to help draw detailed tiles on the roof.
Oh, look, it snowed.
My dad is the original Clark Griswold. We always decorated our house, and my family used to build a candy cane fence just like this one every year. Before we create the pond, we need to figure out where the house is going to go. I folded a square in half to figure out a 45-degree angle. Be sure to line up the line of the paper with the line of the card. Next, make marks where your house and snowy path will go. I'm using this glossy accents paint. A friend of mine showed me this years ago, and I love using it to add details. Wait until you see how the frozen pond turns out. Sunny, what are you doing?
I'm testing out the frozen pond. Whee!
Aw, that looks like fun. Let's attach the house to the card. Remember to only glue the tabs to the card. This is very important. To decorate the envelopes, I used a white marker with red and green Sharpies to help give my cards a candy cane accent. Don't forget the stamps. Once you open up the card, you'll have to fluff up your fence and the chimney. Next, set up your scenery. You can change it every day for a different holiday look. What do you think, Sunny?
It's better than how I imagined it. I think the frozen pond is my favorite. Good morning.
Aw, Sunny, the fireplace looks so nice.
Thank you, but I think it's missing something.
Maybe add some garland to the top.
Ooh, good idea. Do we have any leftover supplies from the gingerbread crafts?
I think so.
Okay, good, but it needs something else.
How about gingerbread and sugar plums?
No,
Gingerbread and candy canes?
no, I've got it. Gingerbread and peppermints.
Great idea.
Let's get started.
Let's get started by making a template for our gingerbread and peppermint starlights. I used notebook paper and then cut it out. Next, I traced the paper template onto thin pieces of cardboard. We're making 5 gingerbread men and 6 peppermints. Cut out 5 gingerbread shapes and 12 circles. To give the gingerbread a 3-dimensional look, I used an old piece of bubble wrap packaging. Trace the shapes and cut out the bubble wrap. I used regular glue on the pieces of cardboard and pressed down the packaging to secure. To cover the gingerbread, let's use a glue stick on the bubble wrap side. Press to secure on the paper. Cut slits around the gingerbread. Glue, fold, and press to secure. Add icing to the gingerbread by using white puffy paint. I decorated each one with a different individual look. Attach a ribbon as a bow tie or a hair bow for some added cuteness. Aw, so adorable.
Hey, since we're making peppermint starlights, we should have Shiny and Twinkle help out.
Ooh, good idea.
We can help.
We're going to make the peppermint starlights the same way we made the truck tires in our vintage farmhouse harvest truck video. Be sure to check it out. Each starlight is made by using 2 circles and a long cardboard strip about 1.5 inches or about 4 centimeters wide. Hot glue works best when securing the pieces in place. Press and hold in place until the glue dries. Use a glue stick to adhere the cardboard to the paper. Be sure to cut your paper large enough to wrap around the sides of the disc we just made. Cut slits around the side just like you did for the gingerbread men. I like to fold over every other one, then glue, fold, and press to secure. Use tweezers if the glue is too hot. Continue until all pieces are glued down. I made 5 apostrophe-like shapes for the red starlight color. Meet all points in the middle and then glue, fold, and secure. You know the drill. What do you think?
It's good, but they're missing something. Yeah, every star needs some sparkle.
Oh, you mean glitter. Okay. To apply glitter, I used regular glue and painted it on each starlight. Glitter, glitter everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with glitter. How about you? Starting first with white glitter and then alternating pink and red glitter. I think they turned out so cute, don't you?
They look so yummy. Twinkle, they're not for eating, they're just for decorations. But they look so good.
Let's make the wrappers for the peppermints. I recycled a produce bag and with the help of some baker's twine, I wrapped each starlight to resemble the real thing. So glad for the plastic because it helped contain all the sparkly glitter. Here's the before and after. To complete our gingerbread and peppermint garland, let's make a candy cane rope. It's so easy. I measured out the fireplace and added 1 foot or about 30 centimeters extra. The rope is made using jute twine and baker's twine, complete by twisting together the 2 different types of twines. Lay out the completed candy cane rope. Alternate placing peppermints and gingerbread.
Ooh, gingerbread cookies, my favorite.
Secure with tape or glue. Time to hang it up on the fireplace. Let's see how it looks.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
The garland looks so tasty. I think I have to eat it. Twinkle, no, don't do it. Excuse me.
I can't believe you ate the garland.
Oh no. Now what are we gonna do? Let's make some more.
Hey Sunny, what's the matter?
Good morning. I slept in late and now I'm behind on making Christmas cookies for Santa.
You have been sleeping in a lot lately. Well, don't worry, you still have a couple of days left.
Yeah. Hey, wait. What if we make real and fake gingerbread cookies and see if Santa notices the difference?
You want me to help you trick Santa Claus?
No, not trick. Just, surprise him.
I don't know about this.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Okay, but if you end up on the naughty list, don't blame me.
All right, let's get started. Those look yummy. A special plate for some special cookies.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Look, Sunny, Santa left you something on your stocking. What is it?
It's a note
Read it.
from the desk of Santa. Oh, 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 Sonny, what a surprise I received when I tried your cookies. Your gingerbread men and Gingersnaps were a delightful gift. I'm bringing them home to Mrs. Claus. She loves crafting too. I know she will want to display these decorative cookies in our kitchen all year long. Oh!
Thank you for thinking of the reindeer. They do get hungry on their journey, especially Rudolph, wishing you a splendid Christmas. Ho, 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 Santa. Remember to stay on the nice list. Aw, Sunny, that was a very nice note he wrote you.
Oh, I love Santa.
Merry Christmas, Sunny.
Merry Christmas to everyone.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas